coming to ISSA, it's everybody in one place at the same time.
It's the show you want to attend if you're in the custodial business.
It's an inspiring environment. There's a lot of really passionate people that are coming up with cool ideas and making them happen.
Whenever you think about what have you learned at a show, I think everybody comes for a different reason. For me, it's been the software programs.
We're talking to some people about using some software for scheduling and quality assurance and that type of thing.
The roundtables, you sit down and ask questions to other cleaning companies that is facing or had faced the same challenge, and now you can get answers.
We have been meeting with all of our different manufacturers to learn some of their new items, so we've got a lot of products that we'll be taking back to the marketplace, training some of the distributors on.
ISSA had a whole bunch of classes that I went to. Being more of a team leader, just to create a culture where you have that environment so people will want to come work for you.
Through their education and through the SIMS and the CEH and all their different programs, I've really learned a lot quicker than I think I ever could have without ISSA being involved.
When you're an ISSA member and you're going to an end user, typically they're not really familiar with ISSA. You have to bring that forth, and I think that's the thing I like with the Academy is certifications, importance, training. ISSA now has courses where we're getting the knowledge to them.
As the industry has changed, as it's morphed into different levels, the people that are coming to the show have a specific reason that they're at that show. So the quality of the conversations that you're having with people are much higher. The time that you're spending with people is much better.
Being a provider of services, we are an extension of the building that we're cleaning. So coming back over and over to ISSA, you might think, well, I've seen that before. People change, companies change, product lines change. If you really want to be in the front edge of it, then I think you have to invest in coming to something like this.